Go. Come on. I'm hiding right here. I heard you leave at the door. Run! Come on, hurry up. So slow. Come on. Coming right there. Dude, that little girl see you? I think she saw you, dude. Get down, get down. Dude, Jackhammer, I almost got you that time, dude. Hit the house right there. Girl was playing a board game or something. By the window, they're like 10 feet away. It was raining anyway. Then they caught me. I'm not quite sure. They might have seen me running, dipping in the cover, but go on my breakaway speed a little bit. Other than that, it's a pretty good hit. It's a pretty good hit. There's Hurricane here, but they hit the house. Let's do this. Dude, they keep dude, get up. Oh. Dude, they just keep walking around. What the heck are they doing? Oh shoot, get down, get down. There's some more out. Dude, it's like a small party or something, dude. Bunch of retards. Way too much. Dude, she seriously saw you, I swear. She keep looking around the street. Dang. Why'd you talk so loud? You talking loud, really? Get down. Oh. Dude, you just shut up. You shut up. Dude, I farted. Oh, dude, it smells like. Oh my gosh. No sausages? Dude, go inside already. What's that? He moving? God, they're dumb. They're so dumb. Dude, that was a good hit. I ran up there as fast as I could. My adrenaline's pumping right now, dude. You don't even know. But yeah, I ran up to that window. They're playing Wii boxing or something, dude. This is a lame party. I'll tell you what. But we hit them. We hit them real good. There's a guy on a bike. We gotta be quiet real quick. All right, dude. We're good. What's going on? I know that kid. Hurricane, Jackhammer. What? Double duty right here, man. Double duty. Let's do this. Go, 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 go! Oh, dude. I'm so scared. Okay, deal was. Roll up to this house, right? Normal house, look like normal people, drive like a Camry or something, I don't know. Roll up this house. Do you know what it is? We start running this ditch. Gunshots. Dude. Gunshots. Swear they were gunshots. I was so scared. I think I peed my pants. I was serious. Swear they were gunshots. Like boom, 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 boom. There were like 6 of them. I'm not sure. I crapped myself. I mean, a little bit of poop came out. I wasn't even counting, but I mean, there was definitely like a couple shots whizzed by my head. People are crazy. I'm not sure if we can call the cops or not. They're so nasty right now. I mean, people are crazy. Don't call the cops, dude.
Don't call the cops.
Alright, we're not gonna call the cops, don't worry about it. Alright, so we
Just
definitely
hit the next house.
We definitely gotta keep moving.
We're gonna hit the next house.
One more house tonight. We can't let a couple gunshots wear us down. Jackhammer here. Hurricane by my side. I'm going in alone on this one, I think. There we go.
Go, you go. Dude, I hear this lady has like an addiction with pancakes or something. So this should be pretty funny. Oh, jeez, dude, he's ringing it. He's got it. Oh, dude, he knocked. Oh, God. Oh, my. Oh, shoot. Oh, my gosh. Oh, she just fell. She just fell, dude.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my God. Is she okay?
Dude. Oh, dude.
Dude.
It's a grandma.
Dude, she just fell.
It's grandma.
She just. Is she okay?
I don't know.
Dude, should we go check to see if she's alright?
Dude, she's probably faking.
You think she's faking?
She's definitely faking.
You think she's faking?
I swear she had a knife. She's definitely faking, dude.
Dude, this is. I think we should go see if she's okay.
No. Leave her.
What do you mean you gotta leave her?
What do you mean we'll see? She had a knife.
Dude, she doesn't have a knife.
Grade, dude. She's old anyway, no one cares.
I don't know, dude.
She's old.
This lady has like an addiction with pancakes. I know her.
Were you up at the door? Yeah, she's probably chopping pancakes with a knife.
Dude.
Chop us up in
Just go see if she's okay, dude. I'm freaking out. Dude, this is not good.
She had a knife. She was gonna stab me.
Dude, I'm calling the police.
No way.
I'm calling the police, dude.
No freaking call.
God, I'm calling them.
I never should have gone with you. Yeah, Atlas is. They have a lot of roads. Easy night tonight. Very easy night. Back. It's a good life.
Hey, Rick, Chuck.
Ooh, this thing! Hold on. What was that?
We got a grandma down. Apparently she fell and broke her hip.
Grandma?
We don't know.
Wait, not the one on,
What was it, 2319?
2319, that's the one.
That one. On the pancakes.
Fell, broke her hip or something.
Come in.
You gotta go check it out.
Yeah, we'll be there in a little bit, I guess.
We need it now.
We need us now?
Yep.
Alright, we'll be there.
Alright, dude. I called the police. Dude, I had to call him. Then she fell. Dude. Okay, we gotta get out of here. Let's go. Alright, what do we got?
Grandma. Mother's rest.
Alright.
Look good.
Check it out, Chuck.
Call him as some kid.
Name it off.
Quite sure. Hey, Grandma. Face down. Yep. Kind of smells.
She does.
Down here. Definitely down here.
Alright. Well, why don't we turn her over?
See what we got. Oh.
Let me out a little bit. Ah. Oh, God. Oh, God. What in the heck is this?
Oh, what is
Biz Quick pancakes?
this? Pancakes!